Hi everyone, you're welcome back to another amazing tutorial. If you're a fashion designer or you are aspiring to be one, today's video is just for you. In today's video, we are going to be talking about top apps every fashion designer should have on their phones or on their tablets. These apps will streamline your workflow, inspire your creativity, and also help you to stay organized. And the best part is that you don't need to have a laptop or a system to have access to this app. You can create beautiful and impressive apparel designs everywhere and anywhere with just your smartphone. First up, we have the Procreate app. This app is a game changer for sketching and digital illustrations. With a wide range of brushes and tools on this app, you can bring your design ideas to life with ease. So whether you are creating a new design or you are looking for inspiration, Procreate is a must-have for every fashion designer. So if you love sketching as a fashion designer, this app is going to be a game changer for you. And the best part is that the interface is user friendly. So even if you are new to digital art, it is very easy to use. You can use this app to express your creativity to your viewers. So if you love to sketch and bring out your own design as a fashion designer, Procreate is a must app for you. Next on my list is Pinterest. This is the most widely used app for all fashion and interest. It is a go-to app to get inspiration for nearly everything. So whatever you are looking for, go to Pinterest, you are going to get it. From the latest fashion trends to vintage styles, whatever it is on Pinterest. You can find endless ideas for your mood board and collection. Plus, you can save and organize your pins into different boards, making it easy to keep track of your inspiration. So you don't just go to Pinterest to go and search for styles and all that. You can also save whatever you are looking for on Pinterest, and it will be very easy for you to go back to look for that style later on. And also, there are two ways you can search for things on Pinterest. The first method is to go to your app, click on the search icon and type whatever you are looking for. For instance, if you're looking for trendy style, once you type it on the search bar, it's going to come up with different styles for you to pick from. And the second way to search on Pinterest is to use the Pinterest lens, where you use an image to search for what you're looking for. For instance, if a client sends you a style that is not really clear and you need clarity on the style, all you need to do is to go to your Pinterest app, click on the search icon, then on the search bar, you click on this part of the search bar, and then go ahead to click on this icon you have here, select the image, and it is going to search for styles that are related to what you are looking for. Aside that, you can also use Pinterest to sell your product, to market what you do. You don't just go to Pinterest to look for inspiration. And the best part is that it is free for all. All you need to do is to go to your Play Store, download the app, create an account, and you are good to go. You can sell your product there, you can market your product there, and you can also look for style inspiration on Pinterest. Our third app is Clo 3D. This app takes your designs to the next level by allowing you to create 3D designs of your garment. With this app, you can see how your design will fit and look on a virtual model before you even start cutting your fabric. This app is perfect for visualizing your ideas and making adjustments in real time. So if you have a design you want to create, you can simply get a virtual model and place that design on the model to see how it is going to look and fit in real life. This app saves more time and also helps to prevent mistake when the dress is being worn. You get to see how it fits on the model, you get to see where you need to make correction and all that. So this app is a must-have if you love creating your design. You can simply go ahead to draw your design using the Procreate app, then you go ahead to model it using the Clo 3D app to see how it is going to look on your model before you go ahead to start cutting your fabric. So the next on my list is called the CapCut app. CapCut is a trendy video editing app that helps you to create and edit videos using just your smartphone. This app is free to use, but you can unlock great features with the paid version. There are so many things you can do with the free version, but there are more things you can do with the paid version of the CapCut app. So the CapCut apps can be used for trimming, cropping, adjusting video speed, adding text, adding music, removing background, enhancing your audio. You can also brighten your videos and give it good looks using the CapCut app. The CapCut app is a go-to app for editing short videos for social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram, but you can also use it to edit long videos, and there are so many features on it. It is very easy to use, it is very easy to navigate even if you are a beginner. As a fashion designer, the CapCut app should be a must-have for you because there are so many things you can do with the CapCut app to make your work look nice out there. The next app on my list is called the InShot app. InShot is an easy to use and powerful video editing app program that is available for both Android and iOS user. It is free to use, but you can unlock more features with the paid version. You can use InShot to edit your pictures and also your videos, and you can use it to create videos for YouTube, for Facebook, for Instagram, for TikTok, because it comes with different canvas that will fit into this social media platform. With InShot, you can trim, cut, merge and adjust videos. You can also add music, text and transition to your videos using the InShot app. This InShot app is similar to CapCut app, but CapCut has more features than the InShot app. I use the both of them for editing my videos and also my pictures. So InShot can be used to create different content for different social media platforms. So it is a must-have for fashion designer. It's going to help you to make your work easy and help video editing very easy. The interface of InShot is user friendly, so even if you're just starting out with the app, it is very easy for you to navigate your way in the app. InShot is very helpful in creating and editing both your pictures and your videos, so it is a must-have for every fashion designer. So the next on my list is called the Canva app. Canva is a versatile design app that is essential for creating eye-catching thumbnails, flyers, banner, and social media posts. It offers thousands of templates and design elements, making it easy to produce professional-looking graphic without having any experience. It has a free version and it also has the paid version, but there's so much you can do with the free version. You can use Canva to create logo for your brand. You can use Canva to create flyer for your brand, to create business card, to create thumbnail, and a whole lot more. It is going to save you a lot of money paying a graphic design to do all these things. All you need to do is to go to Canva, pick a template, edit it, and you are good to go. It is as easy as that. So if you're a fashion designer and you don't have a logo or you don't have a brand name, you can simply do all this using just your Canva app for free. All you need to do is to download the app, register on it, and you are good to go. So the last app on my list is called the Evernote. Fashion design involves a lot of ideas, notes, and to-do lists. So Evernote is the perfect app to keep all of this organized. You can create notebook for different projects. You can add images, voice notes, memos, and all that. So if you're a fashion designer that works a lot, to avoid forgetting some things, you need this app. You can create notebooks for different projects, add text, add voice notes to it, and also add images. For instance, if you have a client that comes with so many fabric for you to make different styles for them, with this app you'll be able to allocate the styles to the fabric without confusing or interchanging the styles for the clients. So this app is a must have for you as a fashion designer to make your work very easy, and also to make it easy for you to be able to differentiate which fabric is for which style. So other apps you need on your phone are your social media apps, which include your YouTube app, Facebook app, Instagram app, TikTok app, and WhatsApp business. These apps will help promote your brand, increase your sales, get potential clients, and also help you to advertise your craft very well. So guys, here we have it. These are the apps you will need to make your work as a fashion designer to be smooth and very easy. So if you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also drop a comment. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.